Come test drive the 2017 CX-3. The CX-3 is a fun and feisty roundabout with outstanding performance, style, and sophistication that outstrips the competition. The CX-3 subcompact crossover delivers unmatched driving dynamics right alongside outstanding fuel economy. It's the driving experience totally redefined and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, rear bumper protector, PIO, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.